Dialogue about how to make a request. Person A, could you help me with this report? Person B, sure, what do you need help with? Person A, I need your assistance with a project. Person B, of course, tell me more about it. Person A, would you mind helping me out with these calculations? Person B, no problem, let's get started. Person A, can you please send me the latest sales figures? Person B, I'll send them over right away. Person A, could you review this document for me? Person B, I'd be happy to. When do you need it by? Person A, I would appreciate your help with this task. Person B, certainly, what do you need? Person A, can you spare a few minutes to discuss this issue? Person B, sure, let's talk. Person A, could you lend me a hand with this presentation? Person B, absolutely, what do you need help with? Person A, I need your expertise on this matter. Person B, I'm glad to help, what's the issue? Person A, would you be able to assist me with this problem? Person B, yes, I can help, what's going on? Person A, can you provide some guidance on this project? Person B, I'd be happy to. What specifically do you need guidance on? Person A, could you please explain this concept to me? Person B, sure, let's go over it together. Person A, I need your support with this initiative. Person B, you got it, how can I assist? Person A, can you help me understand this data? Person B, yes, I can. What part is confusing? Person A, could you send me the details by tomorrow? Person B, absolutely, I'll have it to you by then. Person A, I would be grateful if you could assist me. Person B, of course, what do you need help with? Person A, can you please check this report for me? Person B, sure, I'll review it now. Person A, could you help me figure out this issue? Person B, yes, let's take a look together. Person A, I need your advice on this situation. Person B, I'm here to help, what's the situation? Person A, would you mind reviewing this proposal? Person B, not at all, I'll take a look. Person A, can you assist me with this task? Person B, absolutely, what do you need? Person A, could you provide me with some information on this? Person B, sure, what specifically do you need? Person A, I need your help with a decision. Person B, I'd be happy to help, what's the decision about? Person A, can you help me with this assignment? Person B, yes, what do you need? Person A, could you help me solve this problem? Person B, let's work on it together. Person A, I need your input on this matter. Person B, I'll give you my thoughts, what's the matter? Person A, can you show me how to do this task? Person B, sure, let me walk you through it. Person A, would you mind giving me some feedback on this? Person B, not at all, I'd be happy to. Person A, can you help me find this document? Person B, yes, let's look for it together. Person A, could you assist me with this project? Person B, absolutely, what part do you need help with? Person A, I need your support on this task. Person B, I'm here to help, what do you need? Person A, can you help me clarify this point? Person B, of course, what needs clarification? Person A, could you provide some insights on this issue? Person B, sure, here are my thoughts. Person A, I need your expertise for this presentation. Person B, I'd be happy to help, what's the presentation about? Person A, can you help me understand the requirements? Person B, yes, let's go over them together. Person A, would you be willing to help me with this project? Person B, certainly, what do you need help with? Person A, can you help me with this analysis? Person B, yes, let's analyze it together. Person A, could you lend me a hand with these calculations? Person B, absolutely, let's work on them. Person A, I need your advice on this approach. Person B, I'm here to help, what's your approach? Person A, can you help me finalize this report? Person B, sure, let's finalize it. Person A, could you assist me in organizing this event? Person B, yes, what do you need help with? Person A, I need your support to complete this task. Person B, I'll help you complete it. Can you provide some guidance on this matter? Could you please explain this to me? I need your support with this project. Can you help me understand this better? Could you send me the details by tomorrow? Person A, can you help me understand this data? Person B, of course, let's review it together. Person A, would you mind helping me with these documents? Person B, not at all, let's get started. Person A, can you provide your opinion on this matter? Person B, I'll give you my honest opinion. Person A, could you help me with this troubleshooting? Person B, yes, let's troubleshoot it. Don't forget to subscribe to Tet Ong Bo channel.